Hi everyone, it's Mr. Millant. Welcome to the beginning of the year. Looks like we have to troubleshoot a couple things, but so far it's going really well. I have seen everybody's classes, it looks great. But let's start troubleshooting. I've heard some microphones aren't working, and we need to make sure we get them going as well as the cameras. So here's how you do it. Go over here to this window down here. This is your desktop. You want to go down here to this window and just click it and start typing. Start typing MICROPHONE, privacy. Make sure you get the privacy, and you'll see this privacy settings pop up. And you make sure this is on. I can't click this. Mine was off, so I had to click this on. So you just click it, and then exit out. Same thing with the camera. Start typing CAMERA PRIVACY, privacy settings. It'll pop up. Come over to privacy settings. Make sure this is on. It's probably turned off. Okay? All right, that's it for this one. Great to have everyone here, and we will talk very soon. All right. Bye-bye.